Zosia Mamet voiced Crimp. You know Zosia Mamet in The Flight Attendant. Crimp is the assistant at Velvet and Veneer. Zosia Mamet will sing 9 to 5, even though it's from Trolls Band Together. It's the only song by Zosia Mamet I ever know. Zosia Mamet is an actor and a musician. Zosia Mamet is the actor of Crimp. Zosia Mamet is not really good at singing. Not to be considered like Brianna Mazzola or Julia Michaels or Jamie Dornan level, but more like Bad Bunny. And definitely not like Justin Timberlake or J Balvin or Anna Kendrick. Yep, Crimp is the assistant of Velvet and Veneer that was treated poorly. Crimp is one pop troll. Crimp, it does not have a species yet, but I don't know what it is, but I think I don't know what it is. But I definitely know that one thing is Zosia Mamet is the actor of Crimp. Crimp is the assistant and Crimp is one pop troll.